Hey, just Soldier Knows Best, and today I'm going to be talking about Snow Leopard, which is the next version of Mac OS X for all the Mac users out there. So I'm kind of break it down so everybody exactly know what Snow Leopard is going to be bringing to the plate and why you should definitely upgrade it when it comes out in September. Now, the first two big things that Snow Leopard is going to be introducing to the Mac world is going to be Grandcentral and also OpenCL. Now, Grandcentral allows you to actually take advantage of your multi-core processors a lot better and more efficient. Right now, you can get dual-core and quad-core processors in both Macs and PCs, but they're not really being taken advantage of, and each individual core is not really being managed the way it should be to get the overall task done. So Grandcentral is going to be, just like you think of train station, all these different ways trains can come in and out. It has to be managed a certain way, and that's what Grandcentral is going to be doing for the processors. OpenCL is going to finally allow you to be able to use your GPU or your graphics processors and your graphics cards and all those good stuff to actually be used for everyday tasks and common tasks that normally your processors are stuck alone with. So OpenCL is going to make things faster, and that in combination with Grandcentral, I mean, you have a winner there. I mean, it's going to be so much improvement when you're coding video, when you're doing stuff like that. It's definitely going to be a big help. Finder is going to get 64-bit support, and also it's going to there's going to be a redefined Spotlight search. You can actually customize your Spotlight search if you want. Expose is going to be integrated in the dock itself. So if you have stacks or folders and stuff like that, you can actually use Expose to kind of see everything very quickly, very easily. Time machine backup. I have a time machine backup, and sometimes they can take a little while. This is Snow Leopard is going to prove the time that your Macs are going to be backed up to your time capsule or whatever hard drive that you're using for time machine, and also everyday things that you're guaranteed to be doing. Shutdown, sleeping, when you're waking up from your sleep, and also when you join a wireless network. All those things that you do on your computer every day are going to get faster and more improved. So you're going to shut down faster. You're going to wake up. It's going to wake up from sleep faster. And also joining the wireless network, I have noticed on the Mac, it does take a few seconds longer than probably what it should. Snow Leopard is going to fix all that. As far as installing Snow Leopard, when you first get it, when it first released, it's going to have a 45% faster installation over a regular Leopard, meaning that, in the unfortunate instance that you need to reinstall Snow Leopard, it's going to go pretty fast. It's already fast to me. Already Leopard is faster than Windows, but this is going to be 45% faster. Also, when you install Snow Leopard, it is so well done. It is so thought out, and the engineers have done a good job with it. You're actually going to get 6 gigabytes of your hard drive space back. It's going to clear up some junk. It's going to clear up some things you don't really need in Leopard that they find some other ways to do them without taking that much space. And they're going to give you 6 gigabytes of space back on your hard drive. Now, that's a big feat, okay? Certainly with Windows. You usually, besides Windows 7, taking up a lot more space, losing a lot more space of your hard drive. But Snow Leopard is actually going to be giving you some space back. Quicktime X is going to be QuickTime Pro and regular QuickTime combined together, all free, all available in Snow Leopard. And it's going to allow you to do the same things you can do in QuickTime, encode videos, but it's going to be faster. It's going to have direct uploads to YouTube and MobileMe. You can actually screen recording within QuickTime X. A lot of little things like that a lot of people didn't want to pay the $20 or $30 it paid for QuickTime Pro. Now you're going to get QuickTime X and Snow Leopard, which is QuickTime Pro, but really on steroids. For Chinese character input, if you're Chinese out there and you want to be able to actually write your handwriting into a Mac, as long as you have a MacBook or a MacBook Pro, something like that, or MacBook Air, and it has a multi-touch trackpad, you actually be able to draw on your finger your Chinese characters, and they'll show up on your computer, whatever your word processing or you're surfing the web, anything like that. So that's pretty neat. And iChat support. iChat is getting better as well. It's going to have, as far as the resolution, 640 by 480 right now, which is a lot better than the standard resolution. And also, it's only going to take 1/3 of the required upload bandwidth or the upstream bandwidth that you use right now for iChat. So a lot of people try to do iChat, especially with screen sharing and stuff like that. And if your connection is not really the best, sometimes it can be a little laggy. but this is supposed to improve on that, so you don't have to have a monster upstream to be able to use iChat, even though you don't need that much now. But it's just going to make it better. And also iChat Theater is going to be getting the higher resolution. So the more people you have in a video conference in iChat Theater, it's going to be a lot smoother. Also, if you have printers and stuff like that for your Mac, it's going to have automatic updates. I know it has happened to me a couple of times in my Lex Smart printers, where I try to go use them one day, the next day it doesn't work. I need to update the printer. Now it's going to automatically update it. And also you can easier disk eject. Using the disk eject button on the Macs, it's not really a huge problem, but you have noticed that it can be some lag, or it just may not eject for some reason. Now it's going to actually show you, it's going to eliminate a lot of the reason why it wasn't ejecting, but also now in the case that it can't eject because an application is using it, it's going to let you know exactly what that application is and why it is not ejecting. And like I said, I think I said before, Safari 4 is going to be coming with Snow Leopard, even though you can download it right now for Mac and the PC right now today. But once you upgrade to Snow Leopard, if you haven't got Safari 4 yet, it'll come with it. And that's also going to get expose support for your tabs and stuff like that. And it's supposed to be, they tout it as the fastest browser, but we're definitely going to see that. So I've used the beta. The beta was cool, but I eventually started using Firefox again. But I am going to download Safari 4 and see how that works. Microsoft Exchange support is going to come built into it for all those people, especially corporate people, business users. You're finally going to get Microsoft Exchange support straight in Snow Leopard. It's going to be a lot easier to get all that contact, all them emails and all that good stuff on your Mac. That's another plus. Should have been out a long time ago, but it's finally going to be here in Snow Leopard. And all laptops with multi-touch trackpads are now going to finally have the 3 and 4 finger gestures. Every single laptop didn't have it yet for some reason, but now every single Mac laptop with the multi-touch trackpad will have those gestures. So now, that's a quick look at a lot of things that are going on in Snow Leopard. Now you're going to see a little bit more details. There are tons of other things that are kind of little details. You can actually go to Apple's website and look up Snow Leopard. It should be on the front page, and they'll give you a rundown of all the new features in it. So it's going to be available coming in September. Now the price is ridiculous. All right, now upgrading Windows, upgrading like from XP to Vista, is at least about $129, at least $150, something like that. Upgrading from Mac OS 10 Leopard to Snow Leopard is only going to cost you $29. All right, $29 for an upgrade. And even if you want a family pack, so if you have more than one Mac like I do, I have 2 Macs, it's only going to be $49. So I mean, it's still so much less than upgrading in Windows, but you're getting a lot more functionality, a lot more features with it, and you're definitely going to enjoy it. So all right, it's been Soldier Knows Best here. We're definitely keeping a good eye out for September and wait for it to launch. I will be getting it. I should recommend every Mac user should be getting it. And also, if you're going to be buying a new Mac now, or if you bought a new Mac probably a week or 2 ago, you will be able to upgrade to Snow Leopard when it comes out and not have to pay the full fee. Check Apple's website. I think they have a special deal for you, for those who are going to be buying Macs before Snow Leopard comes out from this point on. All right, Soldier Knows Best, and I will catch you later. Peace.